We got 2023 Disney 100 Years of Wonder Kakawow Cosmos. We got 2 boxes, freshy in front of us right here. Case 2222. Cannot wait to see these cards in person, man. I cannot wait. Even Dillman came in and was talking about how beautiful these cards are, man. Look at this. It's got the very annoying tabs. Come on. If this is any of your guys' first time with this product, the boxes. The boxes. Again, I'm going to shuffle these around. I'm going to make sure I sent the email. Guys, like, look how beautiful that frickin' booster box is. Indeed, the perfect time to join in, James. I'm sending the email. It doesn't look like I sent it. I'm going to shuffle these around. Brown probably mentioned it. I'm going to mention it too. Individually numbered booster boxes as well. And you can see it's not like they're right after another. The numbers are all spread out. These booster boxes, oh my gosh. I need to know what kind of material they're using for the hollow. Because like there's depth. It looks like there's depth in a lot of the hollow rings. It looks like there's dimples in the box, man. This is, I think, easily the prettiest booster box I have ever seen, period. Easily the prettiest booster box I've ever seen. Alright, that was enough of a shuffle. I'm going to put these back in at random, leave 2, just like I do with Marvel. Just like I do with Marvel. There we are. Let's see what 2 we ended up with. 35,375 and 11,342. Oh my goodness. If you guys haven't ever opened Kakawow on your own, the packs themselves, there's a reason I got the scissors out. They are so thick. Good luck opening it with your fingies. Good luck. Oh my gosh, come on. There we go. Like, even the booster packs have the same like hollow effect on them. I know I'm over here glazing this product. It's because it's really good. These cards are beautiful, man. I'm pretty much going to be doing these one at a time because of the way they open. Shout out to Elsa. That was it. It was just a shout out to Elsa. I usually grab things with my left hand first, so we'll do that. Best of luck, you guys. Best of luck. Actually, I can cut 2 at a time. Yeah. Yeah, there's pull tabs, but I'm not comfortable doing pull tabs. Sometimes they peel real quick and they can nick the cards, especially with this kind of plastic. Never mind doing 2 at once. These scissors are not as strong as I thought. There we go. Okay. Oh my gosh, these... They're thick, man. Oh, they're super thick. They're nothing like the Phantom. Oh my goodness, we're doing the Pokemon grip for these. Sith Troopers, this is in the base. Woody, oh, the base cards look so good. The base cards look so good. Vader, that's a cool one to get. That, like, look at the, you can see the raised ink too on the frame. It's all raised ink. 60 point, yeah, I'm eyeballing the 60 point right now. And then this one looks different. What is back here? Oh my goodness, we got a Happy Faces. Who's got the Happy Faces spot? Or Rat Boy. These are numbered to 169 of the man himself, Mimka Mouse. Mimka Mouse. Oh, and there's like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man, this product. This freaking product. Superfam with the bang. Bang indeed. We got number 124 out of 169 on this Happy Faces of Mickey Mouse. No, man, thank you. It's because of you guys I'm able to open this. As soon as I saw this product I was screaming. I was like, backer, please. We gotta get it. And then we got a frame. Are these their own spot or are these counted for the base? Did these get their own spot? These are counted in the base? Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, these... Oh my gosh. I'm baffled. I'm like truly baffled. We got Idris Elba as Heimdall. Fear from Elemental. Mud Troopers. I'm trying to remember if that was specifically from Rogue One or not. Oh my god, is this what the fireworks look like? Are you kidding me? How is there that much depth in the foil? Oh my god, these are freaking beautiful. Oh, the foil work. The foil work. That foil work's ridiculous. Who's it? Who? Where's the fireworks spot? Celebration fireworks going to Echo. Oh my goodness. Absolutely beautiful. And then a final frame here. What scene is this? Oh, this is from Captain Marvel. Brie Larson as Captain Marvel there. They made Samuel L. Jackson look super young in that movie. On the Ronin. Oh my gosh. It's just, it's so pretty. So freaking pretty. Yeah, and I'm not kidding about the frames on the base being raised. Like, it is raised ink. There is a texture. You can feel the borders around the card. trying to remember which way is forward. This way is forward. Okay. We got Finnick from Zootopia. Tuk Tuk from Raya. And The Last Dragon. Thumper from Bambi. Oh, that's a die cut. We got a die cut. I need to just put this down and lift it because I don't want to drop the die cut by accident. Oh my gosh. That is ridiculous. I am at a loss from how beautiful these freaking cards are, dude. Got Malekith from the MCU. Oh, I love that they tell you in the movie, too, if you didn't know. Dude. These... I cannot wait for you guys to get these in person. I cannot wait for you guys to see these cards in person. Very, very, very pretty. Grats, James. Like, they're so cool. They're so cool. And then Public Domain. Shouts out to Public Domain. Yeah, we got Public Domain right here. On the final frames. Steam it a butter to Willy. I need to get more sleeves real quick. Finish up after these. I shocked the camera, it turned off. I have a knack for shocking people. And I wasn't trying to do a double entendre. I actually just like very often shock the heck out of people. Anakin Skywalker, this guy hates sand. Iron Man, Mark L. This is the most recent iteration. I believe that's the Bleeding Edge suit. Imelda. Coco. Oh, that's some crazy looking color right there. Oh, okay. I did not know the puzzle cards were gonna look like that. Captain Marvel, one of my favorite Marvel heroes in the MCU. For those of you that don't know, this is a piece of a puzzle. There's 9. They'll all have different text here that all links up with each other. These are the Spirit cards, I believe. Superfan confirming that it is Spirit. So I think the Spirit spot alone is really cool to get, because then you're for sure getting the puzzle pieces that you might need to fill them out. Mind you, there's many different puzzles, but that is beautiful, man. That is beautiful. And then we've got a scene. I believe this is Civil War, right? I'm not crazy. Oh no, this is from the first Captain America movie. Oh, I see it now. The dude's in the background. Two per box on average, says Superfan. So you secure that Spirit slot. Can are these thicker than 60? Oh no, that one was just a stray. I know I'm taking my time on these. It's my first time seeing them. I'm enjoying them too much. It also gives you guys time to fill up number 7. Gives you guys time to fill up number 7. Yeah, I remember I used to watch. Brie Larson was really active on YouTube for a minute. Like she'd play like Fortnite and stuff just on her YouTube channel. It was really funny seeing a AAA actress, or just actor in general, just on YouTube playing Fortnite. Prince Charming. Leda Sif. Disgust. Like they're covering so much. Oh man, speaking of the spirits, Donald and Scrooge. Oh, the spirits are different colors depending on which puzzle they're from. So you can see this one's got more of a like a yellowish orange tone. The other one was more red. That's cool. That's cool. Can I guess the scene? Oh. That's Infinity War. That's when they're walking, and then it cuts to them all in their CG suits. Or no, Infinity Endgame. Endgame's the second one. I'm correct, right? Ahaha. I'm happy they say on the back. Nine different spirit sets. He said, bruh. I can't believe like these are base cards, man. LE37, Flash. He tells the best jokes. What are you? We got Outriders in the... What is this frame? Oh my god. It looks like a gemstone. That's a silver? That's what a silver looks like? Lovely classic scene right there. I'm at a loss for words. Yeah, CDQI. I can't believe that's what a silver looks like. That is beautiful. That is like it looks like a gemstone. There's texture on the pattern, like on the pattern of the card. Can't believe that's a silver. Jasmine, Mace Windu. If you know why he's got a purple lightsaber, you know. Goofy. Okay. Mega, that's what the posters look like. It's so, like, the foiling is so trippy in person. You guys can kind of see the lines and everything on the camera. Like, in person, it is trippy. Yeah, it's, like... I don't know if the camera shows it. It's layered. Like, it's not a flat card. That's what the posters look like, dude. And then a scene from... Oh, this was the animated parts of the sequels. Galaxy of Adventures. I never watched any of these. One per box on average. Like, these are so pretty. Touchdown Mickey. These aren't even a little bit thicker. They're quite a bit thicker. And then for a number 69 out of 288. Someone's on their couch doing a laugh and a clap. I had a weak clap on my end. Pongo. This card was an issue in Lorcana set 1. Oh, I like that Alice a lot. Alice might get added to my list of PC cards. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Is that another... I can't believe these are silvers. I cannot believe these are silvers. They look so good. They look so good. IG-11, fun character in Mandalorian. Oh, the scene from... this is Mandalorian too, isn't it? I remember them fighting it. Oh, no, it's from Book of Boba Fett. Same thing. Those shows are so intertwined, man. He's boba. Now I want some boba. Yeah. Actually, not even basically. He just straight up is Mandalorian 2.5. Cool Obsidian. What are you from? Endgame? Oh. Okay, yeah, I get it. Joe Gardner. That was a great movie, deserved better. Poor COVID ruined it, or just didn't let it fly. Another silver, right? Oh! It's Han Solo, but from the sequels, I guess is what you would call them. I don't even know what to call the last 3 of the movies. Someone's gonna make a joke about not liking them. Oh man, what a scene. They really put that in a card? They really put that in a card? You guys remember the scene where everyone's like super sad at the funeral? In case you didn't, here's a card. See? I had a feeling it was going to be Barrett that said something about it. I had a hunch. Sequels would be accurate. I guess you have the originals, the prequels, and the sequels. Because for the longest time... the originals were just called the sequels, right? War Machine. Ian. Or if you watch Mythic Quest, Ian. Quill, fun character in Mandalorian. Oh, skipped right past, oh. It was jumping out of my hand there on the silver of Sully. Look, it's Bams. It's a Bams. Yeah, these silvers are ridiculous, man. It adds a whole, like... Looking at it now, I see that it is just a foil version of the base cards, but the base cards look so freaking good that when you add a little bit of foiling on it, it just looks magical. Well, 2 movies. What, did you like one of them? All right, box 2. I can speed up a little bit more now that I got to spend that first box really just taking it all in. Oh, that's a cute one. We got Boo. She screams kitty. Vaz. Olaf! Simba on the silver. You guys are telling me the silver spot was sitting? You guys are telling me the silver spot was sitting? And what is this scene? Why do I recognize that? What movie was that? Ant-Man and the Wasp? Why am I blanking on this scene? Fam was on it right away. Ghost in a Chamber? Ghost in a Chamber is... I loved it. I'm talking about the original animation. I didn't think the live action was that bad. I definitely think a lot of what the original animation was really touching on was lost in the live action, but the live action was fun. Oh, that is Ghost. Okay. It all hit me back. I was thinking of Quantumania. Whoa, Lilo! Bunch of my buddies just rewatched Lilo and Stitch. Belle, yeah, these base cards are great. Another Vader for the collection. Oh my god. We got one of the Frozen sisters. Anna on the silver. Nice little scene from Encanto right there. The little like stars in the background too. Oh my god. Ohana means family. Indeed. Dillman knows a thing or two about Lilo and Stitch. We got Spider-Man as the Iron Spider. I'm so glad they took away that suit. There's no shot they leave him with that suit that long. Russell, I can hear Brown screaming squirrel, even though it's Doug that says squirrel. Later Tremaine, hate this card in Lorcana. Ooh, lovely silver of Killmonger. Lovely silver. Palpatine getting an Anakin's head right there. You know for a fact the whole writing team's regretting killing off Killmonger as early as they did. Proxima Midnight. It is funny because I didn't realize all of the like characters around in Marvel. Like I just didn't know of their existence until after Marvel Snap and opening a lot of the Marvel with you guys. And I'm like starting to like recognize them now that they were with Thanos during those movies. Ming Lee, I believe she was a mom in Turning Red. Yep. Moff Gideon. Oh, wow. And like it's got the galaxy background, so it just matches with the frame, dude. That is a sick poster. That is a very, very cool poster. And then we got a Dumbo still. Oh, that is such a cool poster. It's also funny because on the bottom it looks like it has a little bit of like the date or something on the bottom of the poster. Yeah, like that. Jesus. 226 out of 288 on this one. Very cool. This is like, I feel like everyone that gets in this should get the base spot at least once because of how pretty these are. Got Jeremy Renner as Hawkeye. I said Hawkeye, not Hot Guy. Sully. K250. And we've got a die cut. I'm going to set it down because I don't want to drop it. Oh, wow. Nebula looks so good on this card. If anyone's a fan of Karen Gillan. I really like her character. She's such a fun character. I like the development they've done with her, the direction they took her, the comedy with her. Why is Mega saying sorry? And then, scene from Attack. Scene from Attack. Took base from the rest of the case. Mega said, "This is some good stuff." Hey man, I do not blame you. If I was not opening on this channel, I think I'd be grabbing a bunch of spots because I'm at a loss for words with this product. Absolute loss for words. Kristoff. Nani. Oh, you can get all the... I wonder if they have all the... like the main family in Lilo and Stitch. Tigger. They have everything in this freaking product, man. They got everyone. Oh. Chopper and Hera. These guys are from Rebels, Star Wars Rebels. So now you got a purple one. Sadly not a different color from your other two, Mega. And then a scene from Ant-Man post actress change. I think this is the first. This has to be the first Ant-Man, right? Oh no, it was Ant-Man and the Wasp. The actress change was on Quantumania. I keep forgetting about the middle movie. They're from the Companions version of the... So each puzzle has their own name, Superfan? It's cool you got those too. Oh, I want to see some of the puzzle pieces all put together. Got one of the set list blank cards here. Got Finn. I wonder if there's another version of Finn from the other two movies, or if he's his only card is him from the first movie. Shuri. Nope. You're just getting all the different colors. Oh wait, that's okay. That's a cool one. Captain America and Falcon on the Spirit. And a scene from Mulan. Internet confirms that the live action was not a good idea. I'm just like, I understand like just having the live actions just kind of happen, but it's wild how different the live action was in terms of tone compared to the animation. I did watch it because Gong Yi, the actress who was the antagonist of the live action, in film school I watched a bunch of movies that she was in because I studied the director she worked with. So I was like, I just want to see the movie because of her. Raj trying to duel Mega for some points here. Archie, love the goat eyes. Raya. See, I also appreciate we got Raya in this product. In Topps Chrome, they skipped right over Raya. I don't understand why they skipped right over her. By the way, Mega, what'd you think of the movie? Black Widow. Bunch of people in chat wishing they got this card. Ooh, Silver the Queen. Yeah, I love the little stars. See the stars in like the like smoke? Looks too good for a... Looks... Oh, it's the meme! It's the meme scene! It's the meme scene! I wonder if they put that as a card just because of the meme. They should have just made the card like the actual meme. They officially canceled the Silk TV show. Oh, Raj. You're gonna come in here, battle Mega for points, and then drop that kind of news on me? Do you understand how much I was looking forward to that show? It's all because of frickin' Madam Web, bro. It's all because of Madam Web. I don't understand why they don't realize, like, it's gonna perform in its own way that's comparable to the Across the Spider-Verse movies, not Madam Web. Very annoying. Isabella from Encanto. Why does Randall look like that? Oh, this is from Monsters University. That's not from Monsters Inc. Yup. I am Groot. He gets paid so much money for that. Oh. Oh my goodness. Single auto. Going to Mega. Look at the little teardrop on the bottom, bro. Look at the little teardrop. This is such a fun product. This product is too fun for its own good. Oh my gosh, man. 60 out of 88. There's not many of these. Yeah, even the frown on the... That, like... That's so much fun. That is so much freaking fun. Hakuna Matata. Oh, we need to open more of this. We need to open all of it. We need to open all of it and then yell at Backer to get it more. Last pack. Okoye. Okoye is holding on to the card behind her. There we go. Dean from University. Sisu! Okay, yeah, we're getting a lot of love for Raya in The Last Dragon. Getting a lot of love. Liked it was doing a thing with My Hero. You think that's a card. Oh, yeah. I see what you mean. We have one more right here. Oh, is that a fireworks? Miko on the Cosmic Fireworks. God, these cards are so freaking vibrant. Wasn't unable to talk right there. Moana. Is that the scene where she's singing? She's doing her iconic song. Let me get these last base cards sleeved and we'll do the recap. I did take a lot of my my own time on this break just because it's my first time seeing a lot of these cards. So I can box a little bit faster. As we keep doing it, I'm going to get faster and faster. I really needed to enjoy this because I've been so excited for it. That was... Oh, what am I doing? For the recap, we're going to start with the silvers. Starting with the silvers. These are all going to Mega. Very jealous of that Anna Mega. At least it's not an Elsa. I might have to fight you for the Elsa. Now we have our spirits. Unfortunately, the spirits are of every single other color, but no dupes. Our lovely Celebration Fireworks. Yeah, like even the rainbow foil on the borders, bro. Now our numbered stuff. Right, these are numbered? Oh, wow, these aren't? These are too freaking good. Well, we got our die cuts here. Nebula. Malekith. These, like, that poster. That poster, bro. Auto. Single auto going to Mega. Again, 60 out of 88 on this one. And then the happy faces with none other than Mimka Mouse. Mimka Mouse going to Rat Boy. 124 out of 169. Thank you guys so much. That was D23 or D100. D23 is the convention. 2023 D100 Kakawow Cosmos 2-box PLP number 6. Let's do 7. Let's do 8. Let's do 9. Let's do 10. Oh!